So viewers, I'm on my next stop of following the flood path of the St. Francis Dam disaster. And next stop here, I'm about 1.5 miles down from the dam site, and I'm at power plant number 2 hydroelectric generating station. I'll show you on a map. That's the dam, and I'm just right down from it. This is the overall flood path. I'm going to make stops at each place. This would be the second stop. The water came through here, and in old pictures you can see the mark, and it would be about halfway up. The water line would have been halfway up, about 120 feet high, moving at 18 miles an hour. And it came down this way. This way heads down the canyon, and around this bend here you go up. That's where the dam was. So the water would have been rushing through here, about 120 feet wall of water, coming this way, headed down this way, and it took out this concrete building. Unfortunately, the people in the family, like 64 people, members that worked here, they perished. And this is a concrete building, and it just took it all out. It's just not even there anymore. So the water force must have been tremendous. And those pipes you see right there, those were all that was left. So in old pictures, when you see this, you'll see no building, but those pipes, they survived. They didn't get washed out. So, and the water line, I guess, right up there. So this is the second stop of the flood disaster, following the flood path. And like I said, I'm 1.5 miles down from the dam. Water rushing through here must have been amazing. So there's a monument and a piece of the dam here. This is the second stop on the flood path. It goes down that way, and it goes towards the city of Valencia, and flooded the area of present-day Magic Mountain. And it entered the Santa Clara riverbed, and that's how it started to make its way towards the Pacific Ocean, and I'll go there next. So anyway, part 2 of the flood path, and floodwaters took out that large concrete building. So I'm assuming the water would have been, that would have been engulfed. So the water would have been even probably 20 or 30 feet higher than that building. So kind of give you a reference. All right, there you go. It's following the flood path of the St. Francis Dam. Next stop, like I said, will be down this way, going down the canyon. All right. Thank you for watching.